Love this country too. United we stand, divided we fall. No more you and me, instead it is one for all. There are many things that make this country great, but there is a certain thing about the US of A that we take for granted every day. Freedom. Freedom to be who you want to be. Freedom to do what you want to do. What does freedom mean to you? Freedom is a gift given by so many we do not know, who chose to put us and this country first and go where they needed to go. Many lost their lives for this freedom that we take for granted every day. So many freedoms we have that in other places would be taken away. Our freedom is a debt that can never be repaid. What would those who sacrificed want us to do? Maybe putting our country first is not meant for you, but how happy it would make them if you simply loved this country too. It is not just about a flag, it is so much more. It is living with a grateful heart to those who came before. It is understanding that not everyone, everywhere has the freedom we do. It is about showing those who choose our country first right now that we appreciate them too. Be like an eagle, use your gift of freedom to soar. Be strong and stand proud for your country like never before. This incredible country we live in, just like each of us, has many flaws, but this beautiful land of liberty is the greatest country of all. If you focus on the negative, that is all you will ever see. Choose to see the good, be thankful and respectful, and above all, let freedom ring. Veterans, it is with profound respect that we thank you for your service and sacrifice. We appreciate and honor you. Active duty and reserves, please accept our most sincere thanks and gratitude for the sacrifices you continue to make for this great country. Love This Country Too, proudly written by Carmen Miller and proudly illustrated by Drew Miller. Like you, we love this country too. Thank you from all of us at ELF365.